Okay, lesson 2 here. Numeric and word form. So numbers can be written in two ways, numeric form or word form. So let's do an example here. 11. Okay, that's the number form for 11. And the word form, whoops, if I can spell correctly, 11. And then you could have, this number, which you would write as 34. And then finally, one more, 142, which you would write as 142. So to write a number in word form, write the number on the place value chart, and then write out the word form from left to right. So let's do this first number here. So starting in the ones position, we put the 6, then we put the 5, then we put the 7, and then the 3, and the 2. So like that. Okay. Now to write this word, I know it's on the next page, but let's call this 1, and then I'll write it down here. So let's write this word. Starting in this part here, how many thousands do we have? We've got 23,000. So 20-3,000. Then let's talk about all the stuff in the hundreds position. And that number is just 756. So 23,756. So that's the first one. Okay. Now let's do the second one here. So starting 1, 2, 9, 5, 4. Okay, so I've just written this number. And then we're going to start with the stuff in the thousands. So we're going to go 45,000. And then we talk about the stuff in the ones. And what is that number? Well, that's just 921. Let's do the next one. Just filling in the numbers, 762,367. So starting with our stuff in the thousands column. So that's 762. And now here's the part where we have to put that this is 762 thousands. And we just say 1,000. And then we do the second part. 367. And then the last one here. We're going to start with the millions. So how many millions do we have? We've got 3 million. Okay. 3 million. Then we talk about stuff in the thousands. So 436, but we have to tell it's 436,000. And then finally, we do the stuff in the ones column. And that number, 188, we can just say is 188. 3,436,188. And that's going to go on the next page there. So let's complete each of the following checks. So we need to write this number, 22,455. Well, let's start with just the stuff in the hundreds. So the 455, we can do 455. And then we need to do the stuff in the thousands. So we have 22,000. So we have 22,000. You could give it a date. This is Feb 1, 2022. Yeah, we could say pay to the order of Mr. Black. Why not? And you got to sign it. See your best signatures. All right, pay to the order of Mr. Black. You would put some name there. And we have this number, but we want to write it in words. So 716. Okay, well, let's start with the stuff in the thousands. So 97,000. 97,000. Then let's do the stuff in the hundreds. 716. And again, you would do a date, Feb 1, 2022, and you got to sign that. And here's your assignment 2.